Hi everyone. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to differentiate countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, so this is a tricky topic, yeah. So you have to pay attention. Okay, look at point number 1. Nouns can be divided into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, nouns. Kata nama boleh dibahagi kepada countable nouns. Maksudnya, kata nama yang boleh dikira and uncountable nouns. Dan kata nama yang tak boleh dikira. Okay, number 2 ya. Usually, countable nouns are countable. Okay, countable nouns are countable. Okay, countable nouns boleh dikira, okay? Because they have fixed shapes. Mereka ada bentuk yang tetap. And therefore, are easy to count with fingers. So, senang nak kira dengan jari-jari. Okay, so kalau sesuatu benda yang ada bentuk yang tetap dan senang dikira dengan jari-jari, then we call them countable nouns. Okay, now point number 3. Uncountable nouns. Okay, kata nama yang tak boleh dikira ya, are uncountable because they are hard to count with fingers. Okay, kerana mereka susah dikira dengan jari-jari because there is too much of it. Maksudnya jumlahnya terlalu banyak. Okay, macam gula, sugar, salt. Okay, so sebab dia terlalu banyak, so kita tak kiranya. Alright, there is too much of it. Okay, point B. The nouns do not have fixed shapes. Okay, so kalau kata nama itu tak ada bentuk yang tetap, okay? For example, water, liquid, okay, or jelly. So they are considered uncountable nouns. Mereka jugalah dianggap sebagai kata nama yang tak boleh dikira, uncountable nouns, sebab mereka tak ada bentuk yang tetap. Okay, and then C. The nouns might not be seen or touched easily. Okay, so kalau kata nama tersebut tak boleh dinampak atau disentuh dengan senang, so they are considered uncountable. For example, air, udara, okay, udara, or smoke, okay, atau asap, okay, so they are not seen or touched easily, so they are considered uncountable. Okay, for number 4, point number 4, for uncountable nouns, we normally do not count them with fingers. So, bila kita berurus dengan kata nama yang tak boleh dikira, we do not count them with fingers. Kita tak kira dengan jari-jari. Instead, sebaliknya, we measure them. Okay, measure maksud dia sukat. Okay, like sukatan, menyukat mereka dengan equipment, alatan seperti a ruler, a weight scale. A weight scale is like penimbang berat, or a beaker, okay? Beaker tu alat-alat makmau lah, tu bika lah, okay? Untuk sukat air, okay? Now, look at number 5. We use a lot of with countable nouns and uncountable nouns differently. Differently maksudnya dengan cara yang berlainan. For example, look at example A, ya. The room has a lot of rubbish. And then look at example B. The room has a lot of tables. Look at the difference. What is being the difference here? We have a lot of. But when you use it with uncountable noun, okay, we don't put S at the back. But when we use it with countable nouns, we use S at the back. Okay, so this is very important, yeah? Okay, now practice 1. Divide the nouns below into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, so I will just give you the answers here, but I expect that you actually finish this exercise before you watch this video. Okay, now look at this. Salt is uncountable. Bread, roti, is uncountable. Butter, is countable. Wardrobe, okay, wardrobe is countable. Oil, uncountable. Growth, okay, growth is like your perkembangan atau pertumbuhan. So we cannot count pertumbuhan, growth with fingers, right? We measure it. Kita sukanya dengan apa? Dengan ketinggian atau berat. Okay, so growth is uncountable. Lamp, countable. Education, uncountable. Knife, countable. Meat, uncountable. Box, countable. Doctor, countable. Bag, countable. Milk, uncountable. Egg, countable. Attention, uncountable. Tea, uncountable. Car, countable. Mug, countable. Time, uncountable. Now look at the number of countable nouns and uncountable nouns. They must be equal, ya. So bilangan mereka mestilah sama. So 1, 2, we have, just count the uncountable nouns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 countable nouns and 10 uncountable nouns. Okay, now let's look at practice number 2. Fill in the blanks with correct answers. So we know that when we use a lot of with countable nouns, we need to put s at the back. And when we use a lot of with uncountable nouns, we cannot put s at the back. So that's the difference here. Okay, look at number 1, yeah? A lot of students. A lot of students. Because student is countable, so we need to put s. And then salt, uncountable. So a lot of salt. Okay, so 1 and 2. So all you have to know now, yeah, is that why do we have to put s to students? Because student is countable. Why can't we put s to salt? Because the word salt is uncountable. Alright, okay, number 3. A lot of water. No s, yeah? A lot of water. Next, number 4. A lot of water bottles. A lot of water bottles. So bottle is countable, but water is uncountable. Number 5. A lot of oil. Oil, minyak. Minyak is uncountable, yeah? A lot of oil. But number 6. Cans. Cans is like can Coca-Cola lah, okay? Can is countable, so a lot of cans. Okay, number 7. Oh, give me 1 minute, yeah? Okay, number 7. A lot of tables. Number 8. A lot of trees. Number 9. A lot of sand. Sand, no S. Okay, pasir. Pasir kenapa tak boleh dikira? Sebab terlalu banyak. Okay, there is too much of it. There is too much of it. Okay, number 10. A lot of homework. Homework, kerja rumah, is uncountable. 11. A lot of experience. Pengalaman. Pengalaman adalah tak boleh dikira, ya. Uncountable. So a lot of experience. Okay, sometimes you might see experiences ada s. Tapi kalau letak s kat belakang, maksudnya berlainan. Maksudnya pengalaman yang berbagai jenis. Okay, tapi kat sini kita nak cakap pengalaman dalam sesuatu benda. Okay, satu jenis pengalaman sahaja. So we have to treat it as uncountable noun. 12. A lot of chairs. A lot of chairs. 13. A lot of machines. A lot of machines. I'm sorry, I stressed the wrong syllable. A lot of machines. 14. A lot of grass. Okay, rumput. Rumput itu tak boleh dikira sebab terlalu banyak. Okay, so kalau benda terlalu banyak tak boleh dikira. A lot of grass. 15. A lot of parks. Okay, parks. 16. A lot of fresh air. a lot of fresh air. 17, a lot of energy. A lot of energy. Okay. 18, a lot of buildings. Bangunan, a lot of buildings. Ada S sebab dia countable. 19, a lot of tomatoes. You put ES at the back. And 20, a lot of tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Okay, sauce, tomato sauce itu dia tak ada bentuk yang tetap kan. Kalau sauce itu tak ada bentuk yang tetap, dia macam apa? Cecair, okay? So kalau benda yang tak ada bentuk yang tetap, kita anggap dia mereka uncountable noun, okay? A lot of apple juice. Apple juice. Next, 22, a lot of apples. Okay, kalau apple juice itu uncountable noun, tapi kalau apple countable, okay? So that's all for today. If you still don't understand some of the some parts of the lesson, you gotta let me know, yeah? Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.